Hello, fellow Saab enthusiasts. You know, one of my favorite things about owning a Saab, it used to be looking for the parts, but now it's not as difficult to find because of our friends in Sweden. Actually, it's partly that, and partly I changed the Saab I'm working on to one that has more parts available from our friends in Sweden. So today, I got a box in the mail from the Motherland. It's Unbox It Day. Start with the 11, and they put so much tape on here in the right spots. Look at this, customs. It didn't even stay in customs for 4 weeks like it did the year before last and the year before last. I don't know why. Now, if Dave were here, he'd say I'm giving him a heart attack because of the way I hold the knife. Okay, we're in. First, we get a sticker. Oh, and it's in English. Oh my goodness. Welcome to the Saab Club. I've been a member, but I had to renew before I could buy. Oh, they're even showing me where I can go camping this year in Sweden. Honey? All right, this looks like brakes. Oh, there's our part number, 881715. So I got my rear brake. Oh, cool. Oh, they show you how to do it. What? Ah, I don't need that. Okay. Ooh, what is going on here? Oh yeah, my parking brake cable. Darn it, it shipped from the US to Sweden, back to the US. Blast. Another parking brake cable. Fit for I guess I should say, the car I'm working on, 58 Fiat. At least that's what the wrecking yard called it when I got it out of impound. It is a 1967 95 with the V4 in it. Oh yeah, this little bushing. So Dave, when we get the basically the whole rear end out, this is gonna get replaced. And what I like is it comes with a steel surround instead of just a steel insert and rubber. We were running out of these little pins for the brake cable holder. What is this? It says brake and clutch. I'm sure half this stuff is just, yeah, exactly. Okay, so I wanted my 3/4 bore or 19 mil for the rest of the world. I needed 2 of these because mine are kind of toast. And the part fell. These are so handy when you put the thing back together. So I got 2 of those. As you can imagine, I'm redoing brakes. So I thought, you know what? Why not get a new set of these little adjuster dealios? I've not seen them anywhere else. What else? Hardware kit for the rear. They're everywhere, I'm sure, but I gotta make my money worth it. And a button for one of Dave's cars. I know his e-brake doesn't work right because it's missing the button. Pull the handle. And for those of you who didn't grow up pushing down on a handle, on a button before you could move the handle, I don't get that. Oh yeah. Brake pedal rubber. And you know, I wasn't quite sure. These are supposed to, as I could tell, they're supposed to replace the rear bushing 2-piece that puts the suspension together on the 95. I'm gonna see if it works and I'll let you all know. Maybe tomorrow, who knows? And that's a bushing. I don't know, it sounded good at the time. I don't know what it goes to at the moment. Last, the second cylinder. So awesome, all that in the box. I love getting parts from Sweden. Thanks, Saab Club. Appreciate all you guys do. And thanks for helping me keep my 95 rolling. we'll put some more work into it, the red wagon, and maybe you'll see old Blue picking up some parts for it. I hope you guys all have a great time watching and have fun this spring sobbing.